everybody, welcome to again to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so I have several mangoes on my tree, right? And I have been realizing that several of these mangoes. Yep, let me see if I can get this one. Whoa, no, I missed. Let's try again. Whoa, yeah, I noticed that several of these mangoes at the top tend to have some little pickings on them. So I was like observing. Oh, here's one on the floor. Here's one on the floor. Yeah, right. I was wondering with myself, what, and this would be on the tree, just fell a while ago because something actually nicked it. Now, follow me as I investigate to find out what actually caused the mango to be looking like this, right? And I think I found the culprit. The culprit are some small. I think I found the culprit. The culprit are some small little birds. I don't know if you can actually see them, but I have several of them in my yard, right? And they have actually been going through my yard, and I've been actually taking a set on my trees. So my mangoes are actually being destroyed by these birds, right? And you see the mangoes, they look so nice, right? Ripe and all that. You can get mango juice, you can get mango salad, you can actually sit and eat it like a normal fruit, right? Okay, so the birds are actually consuming my mangoes, right? But I guess just like the one in which I just picked a while ago, where in which I showed you that it is not actually bitten as yet, right? I guess what I need to do now is to try to beat the birds to it by picking the mangoes before the bird actually gets to it. And normally this happens either in the early morning or in the late evening. You'll see the birds, they will come to my yard. They look so pretty, but they have a nasty mean punch. They come by the ponds, they consume water. I haven't seen any right now, right? Going through the yard, I'm looking, other than this one that I see on the tree now, picking the mangoes to frazzle. This is life in Jamaica. In the rural section of Jamaica, where there's a lot of birds, right? You have good birds and you have bad birds. Well, these are beautiful, but to an extent, they actually cause a little damage to my fruit trees. This is an yeah, and they also picked on my ackee, my ackee tree. So that's another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Thank you very much for tuning in. No, this is not a fish keeping related video, but I just thought that you would find this one interesting. Bye bye for now. Catch you next time. Peace out.